Hi, all you dear pandemic nerdy fans. This is Nerdy Girl and Digital Diva Gretchen, and I wanted to give you a little video today to show you how to successfully search for topics you might want to find on our Facebook page. We are hard at work on a website that hopefully will be ready very soon. In the meantime, we've noticed that some of the questions you're submitting have been answered in recent posts. So to help everybody be more efficient and effective, here's how to check first to see if your question might already have been answered. First, we'll look at classic Facebook, which is the one that everybody has had for the past few years, and then we'll take a look at the new Facebook that we'll all be switching to in September. So here's our home page, and we go to Posts, and right here is a nice search box. So I'm going to search for HVAC because I've noticed that's something people have had questions about. And here I get a really nice list of things about ventilation, all kinds of HVAC situations. Down here, you might click on See More Results, but that's all it has when it comes to HVAC. So here then you could click on that to see about ventilation and HVAC issues. Another one that people have been asking about is swimming pools. And once again, there we go, indoor and outdoor activities. This addresses swimming pools. See more results. That's it, okay? So you just search in the search bar and it will pull up any of our posts that are about that topic. Now let's quickly look at the new Facebook. So it looks different, of course. I'm going to switch over to new Facebook here. And I'm going to go to Dear Pandemic. Now the difference here is, as you can see, it looks very different, but there's your search right there in the top right. I'm going to search for masks, or just mask. That's a popular one. And here we go, masks right here, mask, mask, mask. And the date is here, so you can tell which one is the most recent. So, same thing, then if you want to search again, you can search over here. You can search for daycare. And now we're going to see the daycare posts. So, that's it. I hope that that helps you to search for things on our Facebook page until we get our website up and running. We appreciate all of you so much and value all the wonderful feedback and input you give to our community every day. Stay safe, stay sane.